Hello everyone, I am Sorish Mitra from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. I'm a second year student pursuing BA in Computer Science and Engineering. Today, I'll be giving a presentation on the topic Anova. So, introduction to Anova. An analysis of variance is a statistical method used to compare means between three or more groups. It evaluates whether the means of different groups are equal or if there are significant differences between them. One-way ANOVA. Group comparison. One-way ANOVA compares the means of three or more independent groups to assess if they are significantly different from each other. Next is ANOVA test. It tests the null hypothesis, that means of the groups are equal, against the alternative hypothesis that they are not all equal. Third is interpretation. The result provides the information about the variation between within or groups. Two-way ANOVA. Factorial design. Two-way ANOVA assesses the effect of two categorical independent variables on a continuous dependent variable. Interaction effect. It examines whether the effect of one independent variable on the dependent variable is same across different level of the other independent variable. Main effect. It identifies the individual effect of each independent variable on the dependent variable. Assumptions of ANOVA. Normal distribution. The data within each group should be normally distributed. Homogeneity of variance. The variance within each group should be approximately equal. Third, independence. The observations should be independent of one another. The data within each group should be normally distributed, and the variance within each group should be approximately equal. Hypothesis testing. ANOVA formulates hypothesis, states null alternative hypothesis based on the research. Conduct ANOVA test. Perform the ANOVA test to assess the significance of difference between groups and means. 3. Interpret results. Analyze the p-value and determine whether to reject or to fail the reject null hypothesis. Post hoc test. Multiple comparisons post hoc are conducted after ANOVA to determine specific differences between group means. Correction methods. Several methods such as Boniferion and Turkey help adjust the significance for conducting multiple comparisons. Effect in ANOVA. Cohen's d. Effect size measures. It quantifies the magnitude of differences between group means, indicating practical significance of the result. Zero point 0.3 interpretation. A small effect size, example 0.3, suggests a modest practical significance, while a larger effect size indicates a more substantial impact. Conclusion and applications of ANOVA. Statistical insights. ANOVA provides valuable insights into differences between groups and means and the variations within the group. Real world applications. It is widely used in fields such as experimental, psychological, education, manufacturing to compare multiple groups and identify significant differences. ANOVA provides the valuable insights into differences between the group means and the variation of the group. It is widely used in fields such as experimental, psychological, educational, and manufacturing company as to provide a significant amount of difference between the small variance and the small summations of the pieces of codes which we have divided it into. So to conclude this, ANOVA is a technique where we can rely on small values to sum up and get the source of variation difference and the SSAMM, MSA, mean time value, F ratios. I hope you like, share, like, and subscribe to this video. Thank you. Sorry, Shmitra signing out.